The CWD450T crawler water well drilling rig is designed for 450-meter drilling. It ensures operational stability with 4 hydraulically telescopic high-support legs and an integrated leveling system. The rig is equipped with a telescopic mast offering a 6-meter feeding stroke, and the rotary head can achieve fast and slow ascent, descent, and rotation. For efficiency and safety, a hydraulic wrench is also provided for efficient rod handling. The operator can control the rig's movement from the platform with a speed of up to 2.5 km/h.